Linking your bank account to Google Meet can enhance your experience by allowing for seamless transactions related to subscriptions or services. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Google Meet. Launch the Google Meet app or visit the Google Meet website on your device. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Payments or Payment Methods. Click on this option to proceed to manage your payment settings. Step 4. Add bank account information. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select bank account and enter the required information such as your bank account number and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Click on the Save or Confirm button to finalize the linking process. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the process is complete. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Google Meet, making it easier to manage payments for any services you may use.